here at Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge in Smyrna, Delaware. Today I'm comparing Sigma's 150 to 600mm contemporary to Tamron's 150 to 600mm G2. Hopefully by the end of this video we'll be able to see a clear difference which lens is better, and we'll do a comparison.
While I have enjoyed using the Sigma 150 to 600mm contemporary, I've taken a lot of photos with it, had a lot of experience with it. However, I did want to compare that to the Tamron 150 to 600mm G2, and I did find that the Tamron was sharper, especially at the 600mm range. Also, I like that Tamron had a feature where you can slide part of the lens down to lock it into place versus the traditional button on the lens where you just slide it and it doesn't necessarily hold the lens into that locked position that you want it once you have your focal length determined. So I'll probably be trading in my my Sigma 150 to 600mm contemporary and just use 150 to 600mm Tamron G2 as my primary wildlife lens. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and leave comments below and let me know your experiences using the Tamron 150 to 600mm G2 or the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter contemporary.